There are 4 main parts to the dashboard. Start New Story, which I've highlighted all the sections that relate to that in yellow. My saved stories, and all the arrows are in pink that are related to that section of the dashboard. Stats, that's in blue. Green, your menu bar on the side there. Those are all the tools to help you make your own story packs. So tools for uploading photos, uploading a lesson plan that you've written or accessing a lesson plan, and also sound files. Now, whenever you need to get back to the main menu, just click on the icon for dashboard in the top left-hand corner. To get started quickly, you can click on Start Writing, but before you do, notice above the little icons for a video or a lesson plan or a sound file. Click on the pen icon and this will take you to a library of story packs grouped into themes. Inside are collections of story packs to do with that theme, and you can start writing straight away or set the story pack to be the default pack, so when you open up in your dashboard it's always the first thing that you see. So we've talked a lot about story packs. What are story packs? Story packs are a group of images which are brought together because of their spellings. So you're actually writing with a visual spelling list. You choose backgrounds to become the story setting for each chapter. You add characters and objects. You can upload your own photos to be a setting, or you can scroll through the SCRIBEASY image bank to find different characters or different objects. You go into My Images for characters, backgrounds and objects and search for keywords. And when you click on an object, can you see the yellow box? This activates the creative tools to move, flip and scale elements around. But when you're ready, click Save and Continue. So remember to create a title for your book. And within your book will be lots of chapters, so each chapter will have their own title. So writing with SCRIBEASY, there's a thesaurus at the top, and look for words that will pop up at the very bottom of the screen as you write. Now to the left there's a word bar and you can scroll up and down, and as you add words from the thesaurus, this will add words to your word bank. After you write, then save chapter, and this activates the spelling and emotions tool. Fantastic tools to help with writing your plot, but we'll look at that in another video. Click off from those to continue editing, and if you press play...
"Don't you start growling at me," said the camel. He looked back over his shoulder in disgust at the tiger.
The story playback will help you listen to where you need to edit your story. You can continue writing, adding more chapters and more pictures with Add Scene. And if you want to see how your book and all your chapters are taking shape, click on View Story at the bottom. Let's look now at saved stories. So the books you write are stored in My Stories. And then in My Stats, the more you write, the more you get to see the patterns around your writing. And there's a place for texts and notes from my teacher. If you're still listening, well done. You've made it to the end of an overview of SCRIBEASY. Thanks for listening and happy writing.